My name is Kelly and I'm a dietitian here at Wellstar Health Place. A few months ago, I made a green smoothie, and today I wanted to share a recipe for a healthy chocolate peanut butter smoothie. So let's get blending. As you can see, this is a very simple recipe, which leaves a lot of room for modifications. You can add in extra protein with a Greek yogurt or a protein powder, or you can even add in an extra serving of vegetables with spinach or kale. For more recipes like this, check out the link below.